Welcome to the Children's Museum. Here you can explore 12 permanent galleries open all year long. Each one is ready for hands-on, interactive fun. In this video, we will explore Tumble Zone. Have you ever seen a construction site with cranes and wished you could build a tower or a skyscraper? Well, here's your chance. Put on a safety vest and organize your blocks in Tumble Zone. You can start by planning your project. Use the crane to load blocks onto the peak and measure how high you can build your structure. In Tumble Zone, you will also see benches and seats to take a rest after a hard day's work. Just like in real life, construction zones are busy places with lots of movement, noises, and activity. Remember to watch where you're walking and pay attention to construction materials and other people playing in the area. We can't wait to see what you create. For more information on the galleries in the Children's Museum, or to learn more about the Explorabilities Access Program, visit childrensmuseum.com.